The printed Case Clarity Tools workbook is now available. This workbook was created for self-represented litigants who need a clearer way to organize legal documents, evidence, timelines, notes, deadlines, and court preparation materials. Legal paperwork can become overwhelming fast. Court filings, records, letters, exhibits, dates, and notes can pile up quickly. Without a system, it becomes harder to know what you have, where it is, and what still needs attention. Case Clarity Tools was built to help bring structure to that process. Educational and organizational tools only. Not legal advice. The printed workbook gives users a physical way to work through case preparation step by step. Some people prefer digital downloads. Others prefer a printed workbook they can hold, write in, and keep with their case materials. This printed option is designed for people who want a hands-on system. You can use it with a binder, folders, printed records, notes, and your own documents. The goal is not to make the process more complicated. The goal is to make your materials easier to review and easier to organize. Case Clarity Tools focuses on organization, preparation, and clarity. The workbook helps users think through important parts of a case file, including facts, documents, evidence, timelines, deadlines, and preparation notes. Instead of having paperwork scattered in different places, the system encourages users to bring everything into a more organized structure. That structure can help reduce confusion and make it easier to prepare before a court date, meeting, filing deadline, or document review. Inside the workbook, the focus is practical. The system includes sections for case evaluation, claim organization, evidence tracking, timeline development, witness and damages tracking, complaint drafting preparation, service and docket tracking, discovery planning, motion response planning, and court preparation. The purpose is to give self-represented litigants a plain English system for organizing the materials they already have and identifying what still needs to be reviewed or gathered. This is not a substitute for an attorney, and it does not create an attorney-client relationship. One of the strongest parts of the workbook is that it helps turn scattered information into a working case file. A person may have records in one folder, emails in another place, photos on a phone, notes in a notebook, and court documents somewhere else. That kind of disorganization creates stress. A structured workbook helps users slow down, separate information into categories, and look at the case file more clearly. The more organized the materials are, the easier it becomes to review facts, documents, dates, and follow-up items. Case Clarity Tools is also about preparation. Many self-represented litigants feel pressure because they are trying to handle legal paperwork without a clear system. This workbook is designed to help users prepare in a more organized way by breaking the process into smaller parts. Organize the facts. Track the documents. Build the timeline. Log the evidence. Review deadlines. Prepare notes before court. That kind of structure can help a person feel calmer and more focused. The goal is simple: stop guessing and start preparing. This workbook does not tell anyone what legal claims to bring, what arguments to make, or what to file. Those are legal questions. What it does provide is an organizational framework. It helps users keep track of their documents, notes, timelines, evidence, deadlines, and preparation materials in a more useful way. For someone representing themselves, that kind of organization matters. It can save time, reduce confusion, and help the person approach the process with more clarity. The Case Clarity Tools printed workbook is available for people who prefer a physical, hands-on workbook. The digital tools and free preview are also available at caseclaritytools.com. If you want a structured way to organize legal documents, timelines, evidence logs, notes, deadlines, and court preparation materials, visit caseclaritytools.com and download the free preview. Case Clarity Tools provides educational and organizational tools only. We do not provide legal advice, legal representation, legal strategy, or attorney services. Case Clarity Tools is designed to help users get organized, stay prepared, and move forward with more clarity. Visit caseclaritytools.com to learn more.